Yo, hello everyone, and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial is all about selling the items. So here, in case you would like to start selling items on eBay, this is the right place. So we're going to show exactly how you can start by selling an item and basically having an item added to your eBay account. First of all, go to your eBay, as you can see here, my eBay, and here you will find selling. Here, as you can see, you will have sell an item, and from there, as you can see, you can add an item. So list your item, get seller protection, choose when you get paid. So here's some questions, etc., etc. So let's start by going all the way here and list an item. First of all, you need to give them an information about what you are selling. Let's say, for example, iPhone X. Then let's go here, XR Max, for example, and here let's click on search. Here they will give you like what's the brand, let's say Apple, of course, what kind of iPhone, let's say 16, it is unlocked, let's say 512 gigabytes, pink, and the condition is new. So just like that, you can continue to list, and you will have to fill some other informations from name, picture, title, and some required things such as the brand, model, color, and some additional optional options that you might need to add. And finally, description to attract more people and have higher SEO. And here, which kind of selling you would like to have, either an auction or buy it now with a fixed price. Once you're done, choose the payment policy and what kind of shipping policy you have in the payment, and simply click on list it now. Just like that, you have listed your item to be sold. So thank you guys a lot for watching, and see you guys in the next tutorial.